Can adding apple cider vinegar to your diet improve your health? Hi, this is Diane from Treasures from Jones Health and Wellness, and today we're going to take a look at apple cider vinegar diet benefits and how you can add more of it to your diet. Apple cider vinegar is an organic fluid that is not very appetizing, but it contains important nutrients like vitamins A, B, C, and E, and minerals like magnesium, iron, and potassium, as well as healthy probiotics with anti-fungal and anti-bacterial properties that are useful for controlling blood sugar, improving insulin resistance, supporting weight loss, improving digestion, and protecting our foods from bacteria. Before we get into the benefits of apple cider vinegar, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to our channel for future health and wellness tips. So let's get right into the health benefits of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar controls blood sugar. Apple cider vinegar could help control blood glucose levels for the 30 million Americans who live with type 1 and type 2 diabetes. Researchers found that apple cider vinegar taken after consuming a buttered bagel and orange juice significantly lowered blood glucose levels 30 to 60 minutes later. Other studies found that apple cider vinegar not only reduced blood sugar when consumed in the form of salad dressing, but reduced fasting blood sugar by a whopping 5%. These benefits are probably the reason why apple cider vinegar is included in many diabetic diets. Although this won't replace your insulin or blood sugar medication, it can effectively partner with managing diabetes or prediabetes as long as you don't have kidney issues. As always, though, remember to check with your doctor to prevent medication complications. Apple cider vinegar weight loss. Although apple cider vinegar does not have nutritional value, research studies claim that it could aid in weight loss. Many people want to know when to drink apple cider vinegar to lose weight and when to drink apple cider vinegar for fat loss. A common apple cider vinegar drink includes diluting 1 to 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water and drinking before meals to not only curb hunger, but it can help you burn fat. So, to facilitate some extra fat loss, add this apple cider vinegar recipe to your regular diet. Many proponents of apple cider vinegar label it as a miracle diet, but when it comes to weight loss, nothing can replace regular exercise and a healthy diet. But adding apple cider vinegar to your weight loss plan can be just what you need to jumpstart your way to losing those extra 5 to 15 pounds. Recent studies have shown that people on a weight loss plan who took 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar after lunch and dinner lost 4 more pounds over a 12-week period, as well as lowered their cholesterol levels. It's reported that the acetic acid in vinegar may reduce digestive enzymes in the stomach, which may stop the absorption of 200 to 275 calories per day and make you feel fuller, as well as increasing satiety, which means that you may eat less, along with lowering blood glucose and insulin levels. But more studies are needed to support this claim. But again, the best way to lose weight is to eat a healthy diet and exercise regularly. Apple cider vinegar, bloating, and improved digestion. Bloating, slow digestion, and indigestion usually results when your stomach acid levels are low. Apple cider vinegar may help low stomach acid levels. Eating or drinking apple cider vinegar or taking apple cider vinegar supplements is helpful in boosting stomach acid levels, which can relieve bloating and even ease the symptoms of acid reflux disease. Also, the probiotics in apple cider vinegar can help keep you regular. Lower the risk of heart disease. The leading cause of death in the United States is cardiovascular disease, which includes heart disease and stroke. Apple cider vinegar may reduce some biological factors that lead to cardiovascular disease. Researchers found that rats fed a high cholesterol diet along with apple cider vinegar experienced lower cholesterol and triglyceride levels. Harvard University conducted a human study of women who ate salad with oil and vinegar dressing and found a lower risk of heart disease. So it may be beneficial to add some vinegar salad dressing to your diet, even though the evidence is not concrete and more research needs to be done. Apple cider vinegar sanitizes salad greens. Have you noticed that there have been many recent government recalls on produce, lettuces, and leafy greens? Did you know that apple cider vinegar can neutralize bacteria found on this produce? Yes, using apple cider vinegar as a vinaigrette dressing on your salad can protect you from salmonella and other bacteria responsible for these recalls. Researchers studied salmonella-contaminated arugula dipped in lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, and plain water. They found that lemon juice reduced bacterial growth on the arugula leaves, but the apple cider vinegar greatly reduced the bacteria presence way down to undetectable levels. So how can we add apple cider vinegar to our diet? It's important to remember that apple cider vinegar is an acid, so be careful not to drink it straight. Do not drink apple cider vinegar before bedtime, which can burn the esophagus, give you a stomach ache, and ruin your teeth. The many uses for apple cider vinegar include adding it to salad dressings, sauces, and marinades. You can drizzle apple cider vinegar on your salad, mix it with your favorite mayonnaise-based salad dressing, or mix it with vinaigrette-based salads like coleslaw. Did you know that the French in France dip their French fries in vinegar? Barbecue sauces also contain vinegar, and you could also use vinegar to make ketchup at home. When preparing meat dishes, the addition of vinegar in your marinade and sauces is perfect for tenderizing the meat. In the morning, you may want to add a tablespoon or two to hot tea with natural honey and cinnamon, or make an apple cider vinegar drink with hot water, honey, and spices like cayenne pepper or ginger. What we do know right now is that apple cider vinegar benefits don't treat disease on its own, and its health benefits needs lots more studies, but it can partner with your journey to better health while adding a tangy kick to your recipes. So be sure to add some apple cider vinegar to your diet today. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you found this information helpful, please give it a like. Consider subscribing to Treasures from Jones Health and Wellness and hit the notification bell so you know when more videos like this are posted. And if you have a moment, please watch another video on my channel. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.